Boeing just uncovered a model automaton fit for conveying significantly more than a camera. The organization entrusted engineers with planning and building a load ramble and a model they thought of can pull 500 pounds of merchandise. The vehicle is enormous and significantly bigger than anything DJI offers. It weighs 747 pounds and is 15 feet long, 18 feet wide and 4 feet tall. 4 arms hold 2 props each. It took Boeing engineers 3 months to plan and develop the model, which simply finished a trial in Boeing's Exploration Lab in Missouri. This flying load air vehicle speaks to another significant advance in our Boeing eVTOL system, said Boeing Boss Innovation Officer Greg Hyslop in an announcement. We have a chance to truly change air travel and transport, and we'll think back on this day as a noteworthy advance in that voyage. The organization did not discharge official flight abilities including reach or speed. Those will come in time and chances are this vehicle will never be delivered, however utilized as a testbed for advances that will prompt freight and vehicle rambles. Great job, Boeing.